Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm gonna be reviewing the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. So let's quickly get into the video. This is the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. Makeup Revolution is one of my favorite drugstore brands. They are super affordable without compromising their product quality. Their products are absolutely cruelty free and vegan. Let's talk about the packaging. This is the foundation stick. So obviously it comes in the form of a stick. You just have to open it like this, like a lipstick, and the foundation bullet comes out. The packaging is very compact and travel friendly. It's not color coded, but it has the shade number written on the bottom along with the shade reference label. The cap is tight enough and do not come on its own during travel or mishandling. It has no particular fragrance, so it's fragrance free, and people with a sensitive nose will love this. Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation quickly perfects contour and highlights your complexion. The easy to apply stick formula melts into the skin, blending seamlessly to leave fresh and dewy finish. The formula of the foundation is super smooth and glides on like butter on your skin when you apply it. You can blend it with fingers or sponge or brush, whatever you please, but either way it blends beautifully and gives a dewy finish. It doesn't oxidize, but it does emphasize your texture of your skin. This foundation is meant for dry skin. The shade range is very good. They have so many shades. There are 18 shades, which is inclusive and fitting for all skin tones. I am in the shade F6, which is described as light or medium with yellow undertone by the brand. I can't be more happy to have found a perfect match. I am glad it doesn't look pinkish or ashy after blending into my skin. It retails for rupees 850 and you will get a 6.29 gram of product. These are available on Nykaa as well as purple.com. If you sweat a lot, it transfers. I have acne prone skin and this foundation has not broken me out so far. Amazing product from Makeup Revolution again. I'm totally impressed with this product. It's convenient to use, blends so easily. Even beginners can use this product with ease. I will highly recommend this product for dry and combination skin types. That's all for the review. I hope you all guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know the drill. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.